How to buy tax jackpot token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 3 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. And this token is ranked number 25 in this transaction. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your fund to monitor that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough swap on your wallet. Now click here and the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this token, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, so here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider by click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back. As you can see here, you will be able to see a swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy tax jackpot token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.